Hello, dosto. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So now the time has come when the results are going to be declared soon. Everyone knows what their results are going to do because we know how we have written the exams, right, guys? We all know how we have written the exams. We how confidently we've written the exams. We all know. So there's nothing like we can't say. If we feel like our going result is going to be negative or we are going to be somehow failed in any subject by anything, so we should start preparing itself. Why to waste the time and afterwards say ourselves as failure? Don't do that. So start studying. For didactics, we are there. Don't take tension. We will discuss all the PGBP illustrations, all the chapter illustrations and questions in English on this channel. Please do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Like, comment, and share with your friends. Telegram sync for what Telegram is going to be for PDFs and other stuffs. And on mornings, I post every news from the newspaper. You can subscribe to the channel as well. So where we will get the link in description and in comment box. So let's start today's discussion on PGBP illustration 1 to 10 in English for our South Indian students. Okay, friends. So friends, let's see. This is illustration number 1. What it's saying, XYZ Private Limited engaged in manufacturing business. Please keep in mind manufacturing business. What we come to know by manufacturing business, we know additional depreciation. What we know additional depreciation, you all know. Okay, sir. Furnishing the following particulars. What the question is saying, opening WDV of plant and machinery as on 1st April 2023. Okay, WDV as on 31st March 2023 after reducing depreciation for previous year 23-23, 22-23, it's given 30 lakhs. So what's the use? 30 lakhs is given, depreciation already deducted. What's the use of trade line? Nothing. We will now take 30 lakhs as WDV and start working off our question. Okay, sir. Okay. New plant and machinery purchased is given and put to use is given on 8/6/2023 of 20 lakhs. Okay, sir. Okay, no issues. New plant and machinery acquired and put to use on 15/12/2023, 8 lakhs. Okay, sir. No issues. Computer acquired and installed in the office premises on 22/1/2024 of 3 lakhs. So guys, before solving PGPP depreciation questions, please keep in mind few points. Sir, what are those points? Please tell. Points for PGBP depreciation question. See, points for PGBP depreciation questions. Before solving question, please keep these things in mind. First point, please calculate the WDV of all the assets given. WDV calculation is must for all the assets block wise. Like we have asset A, B, C, D, and they are separate assets for which separate blocks are given, like 15%, 40%. Like computer is given in the example, plant and machine is in plant and machine separate block, and computer is a separate block. Okay, sir. First, we have to segregate the assets into block wise manner. Okay, sir. First pointer is we have to segregate the assets in block wise manner. Okay, we can do that. Okay, sir. Second point, now we have to see whether the asset is purchased and put to use for more than 180 days or less than 180 days. So what's the use of that? Students, the depreciation rate, if less than 180 days, then it gets half. The rate of depreciation gets half and the depreciation amount also gets half. That's why we have to see whether the asset is used for more than 180 days or less than 180 days. Now check for the date. Date has very much relevance in depreciation. Check for the date. 180 days greater or less. Very important point from depreciation point of view. Okay, sir. Now we have to check, if there is manufacturing base, then we have to also to check for additional depreciation. Then check for additional depreciation. Additional depreciation for manufacturing business and power business. Please always keep these three things in mind for solving depreciation question. Always your question will be correct. What I said, always your question will be correct. Do in stepwise manner. First segregate the assets, then check for 180 days. Okay, then check for additional depreciation. How to do WDV calculation? Opening balance plus purchase minus sale. As simple as that. Opening balance plus purchase minus sale. That's a WDV question. WDV calculation, we have to do it at blockwise segregate the assets. Okay, sir, now we can do the question. Concept is clear to us. So here we got two blocks, 15% block and 40% block, as I told you, plant and machinery and 40%. So on 50 lakhs, see here, 30 lakhs was our opening value. Plant and machinery purchased on 8/6/2020 means we will get full depreciation. On 15/12/2000 means we will get half depreciation. Okay, sir. Okay. So this comes out 58 lakhs will be the WDV. Now we will check for the depreciation means full or half. Okay, sir. For 50 lakhs will be for full, as we have told you. This one more than 180 days. Okay, sir. 8 lakhs will be half, as you saw, less than 180 days. Okay, sir. 3 lakhs here it will come a separate block. This is a 15% block, this is a 40% block, and this is less than 180 days. Why, sir, less than 180 days? See, friends, see, 2/1 for 2024 means less than 180 days. Okay, sir. Okay, we have got the point. Here 20% depreciation will be given as 40 divided by 2, as simple as that. So now check for the calculation. 15% of 50 lakhs, 7 lakh 50,000. Here 7.5%, half 60,000 of 8 lakhs. Here it's of computer and this of additional depreciation, 20% and half. Simple. Was it simple? Yes, sir, it was simple. So please like the video, dosto. This is all the theory stuff. You can read it. Nothing like that. I have told you the concept. Let's see illustration 2. It's also very simple. A newly qualified chartered accountant, Mr. Dhaval, commenced practice and has acquired the following assets in his office during financial year 23-24 at the cost shown against each item. ठीक है? Okay. Calculate the amount of depreciation that can be claimed from his professional income for assessment year 24-25 means previous year 23-24. Assume that all the assets were purchased by way of account pay check. Okay, no issues. Computer, including computer software. Date of acquisition is given and date of put to use is given. Put to use. Keep in mind, put to use. Computer UPS date is given. Computer printer 1st October 2023. Books, including books of which annual value publications, no use. We will take 13,000. 1st April is given. Okay, sir. Office furniture 1st April 2023 is given. A card for practicing the laptop. Now see, friends, here also two blocks are given. One for the furniture and rest for other plant and machinery. In other plant and machinery, books will come, laptop will come, computer will come, and furniture is a separate. So first we will check the calculation of WDV blockwise. Second, 180 days calculation. And here it's not manufacturing power business, so no concept of additional depreciation. These three steps keep in mind. Okay, sir. Let's check for it. See, for furniture, 3 lakhs, 10%, simple. Because directly it was again opening WDV was not there with us. Directly we will take this. Okay, sir. Okay. Rate of depreciation. Okay. Okay. Plant, computer, oh, no opening WDV, so directly we will do that. No opening WDV nil. Direct purchase we will do. It's all the question. Okay, sir. Okay. 35,000 40% क्योंकि put to use more than 180 days. Put to use less than 180 days. Which one? See. 8th of October. 180 days concept says this. If the asset is purchased before 3rd of October, before, then more than 180 days. If after, then less than 180 days. Simple. Check the date. Okay, sir. Okay. Before 8th of October, we will take Before 3rd of October we will take full, or after 3rd of October we will take half. So it's 8th October we will take half. Okay sir, okay. Computer printer, when it was purchased, let's see. Computer printer, always take put to use. Mind it, put to use. Computer printer 1st of October means full. इधर लिख देते हैं. We can write here. Now it will be very easy for you. Computer printer put to use for more than 180 days, full. That's why I told you. Laptop put to use for less than 180 days. See, laptop half. Okay sir, half. Done. Done sir, done. Very easy question. Books full. Full. Sir, these questions are very simple. Will it come in exam? Yes, students. These are the only questions that will come in exam. One of the points examiner will give you an exam, or any question solving like depreciation. Last question, it can come in the exam. In big PGB question, one adjustment of this will come. Additional depreciation adjustment can come. Anything can come. But if you have the concept in mind, you can do anything. Okay, friends. If you have the concept in mind, you can do anything. Yes, sir. We are getting your point. It's 34,500, 30,000. This, that's ICI is done. 30,000, 34,500, 64,500. Okay, sir. Okay, we are got the point. Illustration 3 is a good illustration. You must mark important. Okay, sir. Let's see. Sign Limited has a block of assets. Let's see Sign Limited. Sign Limited has a block of assets carrying 15% rate of depreciation. What's the rate of depreciation at the rate? 15%. Whose WDV as on 31st March 2023 after reducing means depreciation has been reduced for previous year 22-23 was 40 lakhs, means WDV as on 1st April 2023 is 40 lakhs. It purchased another asset, second hand plant and machine. Mind it, second hand, no additional depreciation. On second hand asset, we don't get additional depreciation. Another asset of the same block on first 11 2023, second hand asset when it has been purchased on first 11 2023. Okay, friends. For 14.40 lakhs. For what amount it has been purchased? 14.40 lakhs. Okay, sir. And put to use on the same day. Means on first 11 it has been put to use. Means it is less than 180 days. Okay, sir. Okay, we are get the point. Less than 180 days. Sai was amalgamated with Shirdi Limited. Now here is the masala point. What it is? Masala point we will say. On first 1 2000 Sai plus Shirdi. Let's change the color. Plus Shirdi. When they have been amalgamated on 1/1/2024. Okay, sir. You are required to compute the depreciation allowable to Sign Limited and Shirdi Limited for the previous year ended 31st March 2024, assuming that the assets are transferred to Shirdi Limited at 60 lakhs. Assets are transferred at 60 lakhs, okay, but it's of no use. Assume that the plant and machinery were purchased by way of account page check. Okay, sir. So, friends, now what the concept says that before calculate the depreciation. Concept says that calculate the depreciation in a manner like amalgamation or any other thing like that of nothing had done, like nothing has done. So calculate depreciation like it was only Sign Limited. How the Sign Limited would have calculated the depreciation? Calculated in that manner. Say like no amalgamation has done. What? No amalgamation has done. Only depreciation for Sign Limited. What it would have been there. Okay, let's calculate what it would have been there for Sign Limited. Then we will segregate from the date wise. From first before first 11, it was of before 1/1. Sorry, minded 1 1 because psi plus CD was from 1 1. Before it was of psi. After that, psi and CD both. Psi and CD both. Okay, sir. Okay. So first calculate like nothing has been done. Opening WD we have been given 40 lakhs. Okay. Additions we were given 40 lakh 14,000 on 1/11 2023. So total WDV आ गई 54,50,000. This will get halved. So it full depreciation 40 lakhs. Okay, sir. No issues. No issues. 6 lakhs. 14 lakh 40,000. 7.5%. No issues. No issues. Half this concept. Okay, sir. 1 lakh. It total depreciation comes to 7 lakh 8,000. Now comes the segregation point. Please keep in mind. Important issue. First, let's see for 6 lakh asset. 6 lakh asset was there from 1st April 2023 opening. It was from opening, yes sir. It was there for 31st March 2024. It was there till 31st March 2024. So how many days assets have been there? Asset have been there for our in the year. How many days are the asset have been there for the year? 366 days. 366 days. Which asset? Opening asset. This is opening asset, not purchased one. Keep in mind, opening asset. Okay, sir. So here comes 366 days. Now sign limited. Sign limited from April to January. If you will calculate the days, it will come to 275 days. I have already calculated April 30, May 31, August, April, May, June. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now if you calculate these will come to 275 days. It's of sign limited, dost. Sign limited. So sign limited 275. Okay, sir. This is 4,50,820. If you deduct from 6 lakh, 6 lakh is the total minus 4,50,820, the remaining one will come. Or you can calculate also. How you can calculate? 366 minus 275 was for sign. The remaining days will be for CD. Out of 366, 275 days for sign, 1st April to 1st of January, and remaining was for CD, 1st January to 31st March. January 31 days, 29 days for February, and 31 days for March. This will come to 91 days, friends. What? 91 days. Okay, sir. Okay. So this will also come. We are clear with this. We are clear with this. Now for asset 1,08,000. Let's calculate here. 1,08,000 asset. It has been there for 1st 11 2023 to 31st March 2024. It will come to 152 days total. You calculate, it will come 152 days. Okay, sir. Sir, for now, Shirdi Limited, how many days it have been? For November, 30 days. For December, 31 days. Okay, sir. So it comes to 61 days for Shirdi Limited. 61 days for Shirdi Limited. So here comes 61 days. From base total 152. Out of 1,08,000. Total 43,342. You can calculate this by 1,08,000 minus 43,342. Remaining balance will come. Or you can also calculate like for the January, February, March, it comes to 91 days same, and total 152 days are there. 64,000 total depreciation calculation. Very simple question, but conceptual question. If in exam it will come, you can get scared for once. You can get scared for once. So please don't take stress. Just a simple question, but conceptual. If you know the concept, everything will correct. I have told you everything, each and everything, and every point of this question. Please mark important. Also, I have told you about pocket diary. Please maintain it. It's very important, friend. It's very important. If you mark the question like illustration 3 is important for you in first revision, then you take out your second revision and you will see whether this illustration is important for me now. If yes, then mark it again. In view, you can go for third revision. There is no use again, then you can remove it. It will decrease your burden, friends. It will decrease your burden. Revision after revision, you will get to know how many questions are important. And before one day revision, less the number of questions, less the stress you will be. Are you getting my point? Yes, sir. So we will maintain pocket diary. Let me be honest with you. When I was in my CFN, I have prepared pocket diary for my audit, SFM, all the things. Tomorrow I will share with you. No, I can share today as well. Like, see, if you are saying important question, let's CFS, Indias 116, Indias 102, Indias 33. You can see it, guys. I have marked and crossed. In this way, you have to do. For audit also, I have recalled all the things like this audit, all the synonyms and the other things I have written like these. And whenever I was eating or walking, I was having this pocket diary with me. Very important pocket diary. Easily you can score with the help of this. Because whenever you feel like you are wasting time, just scroll through this and you will get to know the answers. Okay, friends, let's go for another question. I hope you have gotten the previous question. Illustration number 4. Okay, sir. Lights and power limited. Okay. Engaged in the business of generation of power. Anything you come by the name of generation of power? Yes, sir. We know additional depreciation, sir. It's very simple for us now. Please go ahead. Furnishes the following particulars pertaining to previous year 23-24. Compute the depreciation allowable under section 32 for assessment year 24-25 means previous year 23-24. Okay, sir. And the opening balance of WDV of the block as on 1st April 2023. Okay. Compute his income under the head Pgbp. Company has opted for the depreciation allowance on the basis of written down value. Oh, ho, ho, ho. If you would haven't said, we will not do, right? Hmm. Assume that all the assets are purchased by way of account paycheck and the company is not opted for special tax regimes. Okay, sir. Opening WDV plant and machinery 15% block as on 1st April 2023. WDV is also given. Depreciation, it's after depreciation. No use of this line. Only we will take 5,78,000 because it's after depreciation. If depreciation would have not been deducted, then we would have deducted it. Okay, sir. Purchase of second hand machinery, second hand. Keep in mind second hand. Okay, sir. On 29/12, half. Okay, sir. Machinery by 15% block purchased and installed on 12/7/2023 full. Acquired and installed a new air pollution control equipment. Air pollution control equipment. Block changes. Are you getting my point? Block changes because this of separate rate of depreciation, this is of separate rate of depreciation. Okay, sir. But date is 31 July, so it will be full. Mhm. New air conditioner purchased and installed in the office premises on 8/9/2023. Will the depreciation come? Let's check it out. New machinery Z 15% block acquired and installed on 23/11/2023. Half. Sale value of old machinery X sold during the year. Purchase value is given, WDV is given, and sale amount is given. We will take this. So how we will do? Opening WDV plus purchase minus sale. This will come WDV. Then we will do the depreciation on the basis of 180 days concept. After that, we will provide additional depreciation. Sir, visa 180 days concept applies on additional depreciation also. Yes, dosto. 180 days concept always applies on additional depreciation also. Please keep in mind this point also. It's very important. So let's see. This was opening WDV of us 15%. Okay, sir. Like I told you, air control equipment is separate block. So here it is for air control equipment because it comes under 40%. Let me show you our notes. What we have prepared for you. Depreciation. This book is getting prepared for you, friends. Very important. C. Plant and machinery, air control equipment, pollution control equipment, 40%. Okay. Yes, sir. And separate plant and machinery 15%. Okay, sir. We have gotten the point. Plant and machinery acquired second hand is come here. Machinery by this is come here. Air conditioner for office 3 lakhs. Machinery is at 3 lakh 25,000. Total 16 lakh 25,000. Air conditioner equipment 2 lakh 50,000. Less assets sold during the year 3 lakh 10,000. Total comes to 18 lakh 93,000 and 2 lakh 50,000. Now we can calculate normal depreciation. Normal depreciation on first we can calculate simply of this 40% full depreciation 1 lakhs. Now 40% block complete. Now we will see for 15% block. Let's see. Very simple. Depreciation plant and machinery put to use for less than 180 days. Now here less than 180 days. See, this is for less than 180 days 2 lakhs, and this is for less than 180 days. But means 2 lakhs plus 3.25 lakhs means 5.25 lakhs. Okay, sir. 3 lakhs and 3 lakh 25,000 means 5.25 lakhs 10.5%. This comes out to 39,375. Balance means remaining balance was full depreciation, so we can calculate directly. Yes, sir, directly we can calculate 16 lakh 25,000. 15% of the balance WDV. Okay, 18 lakh 93,000 minus 3 lakh 25,000. 2 lakh means 5 lakh 25,000. Directly 30 lakh 68,000. 15% full depreciation. Okay, sir. Additional depreciation on similar grounds, additional depreciation can be calculated like this. This is for additional depreciation. Additional depreciation will not be allowed. 8 lakhs full we can get. On this we can get. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Additional depreciation not allowed on office premises. Additional depreciation. This was for additional depreciation that I told the office. Okay, sir. Okay, we have gotten your points. So now here two important points are there for additional depreciation. First for second hand machinery, and second for office premises assets. Okay, sir. Okay, we have gotten this question totally done. Total WDV minus depreciation, then we can get the remaining WDV on 1st April 2024 because we have calculated for financial year 23-24. Okay, sir. Okay. Now comes the illustration 5. Very easy. Very easy illustration. Very easy. A Limited engaged in the business of manufacturing furnishes the following particulars for the previous year 23-24. Calculate the deduction allowable under section 35 for assessment year 24-25. Okay, sir. This let's discuss directly. Only I will tell you the important point is this, including cost of acquisition of land. We know that whenever 35 AD is given, we are cost of acquisition of land is not given to the assessee. Okay, sir. So here from 7.5 lakh, we will first deduct 5 lakh, then 2.5 lakh will be allowed as deduction. Rest all are correct. This will be given. Let's see. Only this was the important point in this. Payment to scientific research IIT Delhi X Limited. X what was X Limited? A company registered in India which has maintained object of scientific research and development. So matlab, so means it was prescribed 100%, 100%, 100%. Expenditure incurred on in-house research and development. Revenue expenditure 100% allowed. That I told you important point. Land will not be given. Means 2.5 lakh will be given. That I have told you 13 lakhs. Simple question. Okay, sir. Simple question. Mark this as important question. Mark this as important question. First, let me tell you the question reading, then we will tell you the concept from our notes. Let's do the question from data itself. Okay, sir. Just I will discuss the question. X Limited provide telecommunication service. X Limited what it is providing telecommunication services. Acquired a telecom license at a cost of 50 lakhs. Acquired a telecom license. What it is acquired telecom license at a cost of 50 lakhs on 1st April 2021 for a period of 10 years. Means 50 lakhs cost will get amortized in 10 years. Means 5 lakh cost will be there for each year. 5 lakh cost each year. Okay, sir. How, sir? 50 lakhs divided by 10 years. Okay, sir. 5 lakh cost each year. Assuming that the telecom license is transferred by X Limited in previous year 23-24, means the license is getting transferred to another party in 23-24 previous year for the different amounts, like different scenarios are given to us. First amount 32 lakhs, second amount 43 lakhs, third amount 52 lakhs. Now we have to see whether the license is transferred fully or license is transferred in part. When the fully transferred, then nothing will be expenditure will be allowed fully in that year. Why? Because the asset is not there. When what we will do for the expenditure? Okay, sir. Whole of the license is transferred, part of the license is transferred. We will check for it. Explain how the transfer shall be dealt with under the income tax act. Now let's discuss the concept first. See, friends, here I will tell you. See these notes. If you understand a little bit of Hindi, I will tell you here, because it feels like easy. It feels like easy. Okay, sir. Nothing like that. Understand, when the full license is sold means all the license is transferred. Full of the license is transferred to another party. Means the expenditure will be useless for us now, because asset is not there. What will we use for the expenditure? Proceeds of transfer that we are getting is less than the expenditure remaining. Means our expenditure is more and we are getting less amount. Means expenditure is of 100 assume, and proceeds are 70. So 30 expenditure will be remaining, so it will be allowed in the previous year. It will be allowed fully in the previous year, because asset is not there. What will use for the expenditure? Okay, क्योंकि अब लाइसेंस रहा नहीं, जो भी बैलेंस है डिडक्शन मिल जाएगी. Because the license is not there, we will get the full deduction. Okay, sir. Case 2, part license sold. If the license is sold in part, means the some asset is there, some asset is still there, and for that asset we can still take the expenditure in future previous years. We can still take the expenditure in future previous year, because some asset is there, some asset is there. Friends, don't mind, because थोड़ा ना छाला हो गया. If you understand anything, what we say in English, shala, I don't know if you understand. So somewhat because of that, I am doing that. Case 2, part license sold. Proceeds of transfer less than expenditure remaining. Proceeds of transfer were 70 and expenditure was 100, but still asset is there, so 30 fully will not be allowed. It will be allowed in part. Divided by relevant number is in our year. In our example, 7 years are left. Like this, we will do. Amount of deduction: expenditure minus proceeds, like in above example, divided by remaining number of relevant years. Means the asset is still there for how many years? Okay, sir. क्योंकि अभी लाइसेंस बाकी है, डिडक्शन मिल जाएगी इन फ्यूचर रिमेनिंग ईयर. बिकॉज द लाइसेंस इज स्टिल देयर, वी विल गेट द डिडक्शन इन फ्यूचर रिमेनिंग प्रीवियस ईयर्स. केस 3, full of part license sold. What? Full of part license sold. Proceeds of transfer are greater than expenditure remaining. Means proceeds are 100 and the expenditure is 70. Means we are getting more than the expenditure. Sir, whenever we get anything more than the expenditure, it's get taxable. We all know. If your expense is 10 and you are getting 100, so 90 government wants tax on that. Okay, sir. Okay. Proceeds minus expenditure. क्योंकि अब लाइसेंस रहा नहीं और पैसे ज़्यादा मिल गए, बचे हुए टैक्सेबल, बिकॉज लाइसेंस इज नॉट देयर एंड वी आर गेटिंग द फुल अमाउंट एंड मोर देन द एक्सपेंडिचर अमाउंट, so it gets taxable. Okay, sir. Remaining excess taxable is capital gain. This I will tell you by example. You will get more clarity by example. Let's see. Same question I have taken here. Let's see. Cost of license 50 lakhs, period 10 years. Suppose license transferred in 30 of 32 lakhs. Remaining life of license 8 years. If part sold. Full license. So first we will take for full license. So 50 lakhs. First year depreciation 5 lakhs. Second year depreciation 5 lakhs. Depreciation no deduction. Due to depreciation concept, I am saying depreciation. Deduction. Remaining expenditure 40 lakhs. Okay, sir. 40 lakhs remaining expenditure. Okay, sir. and proceeds we are getting 32, means proceeds are less than expenditure, so deduction will be fully made. Okay sir, 8 lakhs deduction allowed in current previous year. Now see, if we are getting 43 lakhs, means more than the expenditure. Yes, more than the expenditure. 43 lakhs minus 40, taxable 3 lakhs. Taxable 3 lakhs. Okay, sir. Taxable around 3 lakhs. Or did expense allowed till date, expense allowed till date 10 lakhs. Whichever is lower. How can the income tax department say to you that our amount is 3 lakhs taxable and you give us 10 lakhs? The expenditure has been claimed 10 lakhs. No, 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 no. It will always apply tax on 3 lakhs because amount is less than the expenditure claimed. Up till now, only 3 lakh is getting taxable. How then the department claim on 10 lakhs? Okay, sir. Only 3 lakh is getting taxable because proceeds are getting 43. Here we will see how you can see 12 lakhs will get tax. So 3 lakhs will get taxable. If the amount is getting 52 lakhs, means 52, our expenditure was remaining 40, means 12 lakhs. In here 12 lakhs, 10 lakhs have been already been allowed to us, means 10 lakhs will get as PGP and 2 lakhs will get as capital gain. Because 10 lakhs was allowed earlier, only there will be a part of PGP. Here only out of 10 lakh, 3 lakh was part of PGP, and 7 lakh lapsed. 7 lakh lapsed like that. 7 lakh lapsed. Here, out of 12 lakh, 10 lakh was PGBP, 2 lakh will be capital gains. Only because 10 lakh was allowed earlier. That will be capital gain. That will be PGBP 10 lakhs. Okay, sir. Okay. We have got it. If part license sold, 32 lakhs, deduction 40 minus 2, 8. Now the license is still there. So we will divide by 8. Remaining numbers here, 1 lakh will come. These are same. These are same. Same. Nothing changes. Okay, friends. Yes, sir. So this question have been discussed in our book. Illustration number 7. Mr. A commenced operation of the business of setting up of warehousing facility for storage of food grains, sugar and edible oils. There, we all know that in that section warehousing facility for agriculture produce given. Agriculture produce is given. And edible oil does not comes under agriculture produce, friends. Edible oil does not comes under agriculture produce. Okay, okay. So only food grains and sugar will be taken. Let's prepare here. Food grains, sugar and edible oils. He incurred capital expenditure 80 lakhs, 60 lakhs and 50 lakhs. Okay sir, let's see. 80 lakhs, 60 lakhs and 50 lakhs. For if it's not specified business, so it will be calculated like normally. Normal depreciation will be calculated on this. Here we will get deduction under 35 AD. Hmm. Here we will get depreciation. Okay, normal question. Like we have done other depreciation questions. See here. The cost of land included 50 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Let's deduct this cost of land because we all know cost of land is not allowed. 50 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Okay, sir. During the previous year 24, he incurred capital expenditure 20 lakhs, 15 lakhs, and 10 lakhs. 20 lakhs, 15 lakhs, and 10 lakhs. So this will be allowed capital expenditure. For depreciation, this will be deducted, and capital expenditure part will be added 20, 15, and 10. Okay, sir. For deduction, it will be added back. Here comes the amount. Okay, sir. Profits we are given 16 lakhs, 14 lakhs, 31 lakhs. This is useless for you. So let's see. This is of normal part. Edible oils. This is for others, other business. Food grains and sugar. Food and sugar. Okay, sir. Okay. Profits given 1614. Let's do for food grains and sugar first. 80 minus land cost 30. 60 minus land cost 20. Okay, sir. Okay. 30 and 20 will come here. Okay, sir. Total. This is total. Total 50. Capital expenditure we were given 20 and 15. We were given in question. Okay, sir. Total capital expenditure comes 100% deduction. We will get minus profits. Minus profits. 50 minus 16 it was here. So here comes 24 loss. And it will be carry forward. Or if we have another special business income, then it will set up from that. Okay, sir. Also in the same manner it will come. Now see for normal part. Here income was 31, 50 minus land cost plus capital expenditure. In this manner, we calculate depreciation like opening WDV plus purchase minus sale. It's that concept. On remaining balance, we calculate depreciation on the percentage basis. Percentage basis. 328 will come. Very simple, friends. Same nothing. Same points. These are notes. These are part of the exam question, and it carries marks. It carries marks nets. Please write it carefully, friends. This is same question. Just in this, it has been given that we have been provided another profits from another company, another special company. It will just give tell about set off, nothing else. Let's stop here. The profit from existing business running from hotel from Coimbatore. This was new hotel. This was old hotel. So here profit will is getting set off, nothing else. Same question. Profit is getting set off, nothing else. No need to see you. Illustration number 9. Let's see. ABC Limited is a company having two units. Unit A carrying on a specified business of setting up and operating a warehousing facility for storage of sugar. Okay. Unit B carrying on a non-specified business. Okay, non-specified business Unit B. Unit A and Unit B. Non-specified, specified. Operating a warehousing facility for storage of edible oils. No issues. Okay, Unit A commenced operation on 1st April 2022 and it claimed deduction of 100 lakhs incurred on purchase of two buildings of rupees 50 lakhs each. Okay, 135 AD. Okay, how in February, Unit A transferred to one of its building to Unit B means transferred within 8 years. Getting the concept? Let me tell you again. See here. Transfer of asset of 35 AD to any other business within 8 years. Within 8 years. If transferred to specified business, there will be no treatment. We all know. If transferred to non-specified business means business which is not alike to 35 AD. Business which is not alike to 35 AD means you have claimed that deduction. Now you are transferring the asset to the business without giving tax on that asset. How is it possible? No. That's why department is now making it taxable. Now let's see. Deduction claimed earlier on the asset. Whole deduction have been claimed earlier in the 35 AD section. Okay, sir. Now we will see if it would have not been of 35 AD, then depreciation would have been calculated. How much depreciation would have been calculated? For example, depreciation first year have been calculated, second year have been calculated. Remaining will be PGBP income. Why is that income? Because all the deduction have been allowed earlier. All the expense have been claimed by you. Now it will become income of you. Then only it will become taxable. Okay, okay. Then all the benefit will be transferred to department. Earlier, the benefit was transferred to assessee. Okay, sir. Now, sir, it was our asset, so depreciation would be allowed, and it will be part of actual cost also the part of block. Hmm, you are correct, sir. Cost of asset minus notional depreciation, it will be part of block of asset. Again, it will be part of block of asset. How this has come? Proviso to explanation 13 of actual cost section 43.1. I have cross-linked the page to page number 14. It will be the best route after it comes to you. After 2 months it will come. It is going on. The work is still somewhat pending. You will get it. Let's see this example. This example, or you can do ICA illustration, same will go. Plant and machinery put to use on 36 2022 for 200 crores, okay, for 35 AD and specified business, okay. Deduction at the 100% of 200 crore was allowed in previous year 22-23. Now on 31st March 2025 means previous year 22-23, 23-24, 24-25. In this asset is getting transferred. Okay. So deduction earlier around 200 less depreciation for 22-23, depreciation 23-24. Okay, sir. So for previous year 24-25 Pgbp, this will be income. If here business of manufacturing, then additional depreciation can also be there. Mind it, important. Here also, let's see this question. Same deduction, depreciation allowed 45 lakhs, income Pgbp. Here it was getting transferred after 1 year. After 1 year, it was getting transferred. 20 to 23, it was getting transferred in 23-24. So depreciation for 23-24 would be allowed. Actual cost 50 lakhs. It will be part of asset in block. Okay, sir. Okay, we are getting the point. These are just very simple questions. You can see once, and after that, there is no need to see. This is also very simple illustration. It is about giving more than the contribution, giving more the contribution than specified limits. X Limited contributes 20% of basic salary. 20%. How much percentage is allowed? 10%, friends. To the salary account of each employee under a pension scheme referred to in section 80 CCD. Day's allowance is 40% of basic salary and it forms part of the salary. Okay. Compute the deduction. Basic salary is given 10 lakhs. Okay, sir. Basic salary is given. Okay. DNS allowance is given. Simple. 40 lakhs. Actual contribution is 20% of basic salary, 2 lakhs. But permissible limit is 10% of basic salary plus GA. Okay. 10% of basic salary is 10 lakhs plus 4 lakhs. It comes out to 40 lakhs. 10% 1.4 lakhs. Permissible deduction for 1 lakh 40,000 remaining taxable as PGBP income under section 49. See here. Mhm. So 36,148. 36. 36. 36,148. How is the chart, friends? Good na? Yes. 36,148. There is the point. Employer contribution to pension scheme under section 20 CCD. Contribution to pension scheme subject to 43. Actual contribution of 10% of basic salary, whichever is lower. Excess disallowed under section 49. Everything is written in the chart. Okay, friends. So for today, 1 to 10. Tomorrow we will discuss 10 to 20. Finish our PGVP chapter. Then we will take another chapter. We will discuss all. Please subscribe the channel, friends. Okay, friends. All the best. Please do work hard. It's your life. You have to create it, friends. You have to create it. Okay, sir. Okay. Please do subscribe the channel, like and share with your friends.